So someone wants to know, what are the key tax deadlines for small businesses?
Hmm. Okay. Starting on January 1st, January 15th, fourth quarter personal payments are due, or personal estimates are due. And that's going to be true. So some states will also assess taxes at the pass-through level. Um, and in most cases, that will also be January 15th. January 31st, W-941s, 1099s, all that stuff is due to go out. Then we fast forward to March 15th. March 15th is going to be the due date for S corporations and partnerships, that kind of stuff. That's the original due date anyway. So most entities go on a 6-month extension. April 15th, actually, sorry. So March 15th, March 31st. No, sorry, that's backwards. April 15th, 1040s and 1120s are due. April 30th, that's when Q1 payroll submissions are due. So your first quarter 941s and things like that. Then we get into June 30th. If this is not too common, but if you're out of the country, then that's your 1040 due date. Then into July 31st, the Q2 payroll stuff is due. And then we get to September 15th is going to be, oh, sorry. Also, June 30th is second quarter estimates are due. Where was I? So that's June, July, September 15th. Third quarter estimates are due. Also, your 6-month extensions for partnerships and S corporations are up, and so they're due by that point. September, no, so that's September 15th. October 15th, your 6-month extensions on 1120s and 1040s are due. Now, when you extend 1120s and 1040s, those are actually going to owe tax, or potentially, right? So the tax payment is due way back in April, even if you do an extension. The extension is an extension to file paperwork. It is not an extension to pay. So if you wait longer, they will charge you, even if you file an extension, they'll charge you additional interest and things. So just keep that in mind. October 31st, then we are into third quarter payroll stuff. And then December 15th, if you're a C corporation, an 1120 filer, then that's fourth quarter estimate is due. So unlike personal, where the fourth quarter is due after the end of the year, and if you're a C corp, it's due before the end of the year. And yeah, then that rolls into January of the next year, and then we start all over again. So those are the key dates with all that. Um, so for most people, if they're a small business owner, it's going to be quarterly filings, quarterly estimates, and it's going to be March, April 15th, and it's going to be September, October 15th. So that's going to cover most of the things I need to worry about.
A lot of people just remember the 18th, the April 15th one.
Yeah. And
That's the
and
only one.
it makes a certain amount of sense because that's when everything gets finalized, right? Because
Right.
that's your 1040. So everything comes home at that point. But yeah, there's a bunch of stuff going on throughout the year.
Understood.